every American vehicle used in World War II. The United States mobilized an extraordinary industrial capacity during World War II, producing millions of vehicles that proved decisive in achieving Allied victory. From the iconic Jeep to massive tank destroyers, American automotive engineering powered operations across every theater of war. Light vehicles and reconnaissance. Willis MB/Ford GPW Jeep, the quarter-ton 4x4 utility vehicle, became the war's most recognizable symbol of American mobility. Over 640,000 units rolled off production lines, serving in every conceivable role from reconnaissance to ambulance duty. General George Marshall called it America's greatest contribution to modern warfare. Its simplicity, durability, and go-anywhere capability made it indispensable. Dodge WC Series Dodge produced over 250,000 three-quarter-ton trucks in various configurations. The WC-51 weapons carrier, WC-52 cargo truck, and WC-54 ambulance formed the backbone of light tactical transport. Their reliability in harsh conditions, from North African deserts to European winters, earned them widespread respect. Harley-Davidson WLA and Indian 841 motorcycles provided rapid communication and reconnaissance capabilities. Harley-Davidson manufactured over 90,000 WLA models for military service, while Indian produced smaller numbers of their 841 shaft-drive motorcycle specifically designed for desert warfare. Medium trucks and cargo haulers. GMC CCKW Deuce and a Half, this 2.5-ton 6x6 truck became the workhorse of American logistics. Over 560,000 were built, hauling supplies, towing artillery, and serving as mobile workshops. The CCKW's versatility and ruggedness made it essential to keeping armies supplied thousands of miles from home ports. Studebaker US-6, while less famous domestically, Studebaker's 2.5-ton 6x6 gained legendary status through Lend-Lease, with over 200,000 delivered to the Soviet Union. Soviet forces considered it superior to their domestic trucks for reliability and payload capacity. International Harvester M5-6 Series International produced various configurations of medium trucks, including the distinctive M-5H-6 tractor for semi-trailers. These vehicles proved crucial for moving heavy equipment and supplies. Chevrolet G506 and G7100 series. Chevrolet contributed its own line of 1.5-ton trucks in both 4x4 and 6x6 configurations, producing roughly 160,000 units that served primarily in cargo and personnel transport roles. Heavy trucks and prime movers. Diamond T Model 980/981, this heavy 12-ton 6x4 truck served as a tank transporter, capable of hauling disabled or operational tanks on specially designed trailers. Its powerful Hercules diesel engine and robust construction made recovery operations possible in difficult terrain. Mack NR Series. Mack produced various heavy-duty trucks, with the NR Series serving as prime movers for heavy artillery and as the basis for specialized vehicles like mobile workshops and wreckers. Federal Motor Truck Company models. Federal produced numerous heavy cargo trucks and specialized vehicles, including fire trucks, refuelers, and heavy wreckers for recovery operations. Autocar U 7144 T and U 8144. These heavy 4x4 and 6x4 trucks served as artillery tractors and heavy cargo haulers, particularly valued for towing large-caliber artillery pieces. Amphibious vehicles. DUKW, the six-wheel drive amphibious truck, affectionately called the Duck, revolutionized amphibious operations. Built on the GMC CCKW chassis with a watertight hull, over 21,000 Dukas landed supplies directly onto beaches from supply ships, eliminating bottlenecks at improvised ports. LVT, landing vehicle tracked. While primarily considered assault vehicles, the various LVT models from Food Machinery Corporation transported troops and cargo across water and over reefs where conventional craft couldn't operate. The LVT, for Water Buffalo, could carry 18 troops or 4,500 pounds of cargo. Armored cars and scout vehicles. M8 Greyhound, this six-wheeled armored car, provided fast reconnaissance with a 37mm gun. Over 8,500 were produced, serving in cavalry reconnaissance squadrons, where their speed and firepower proved valuable for screening operations and raids. M3 Scout Car, White, an earlier reconnaissance vehicle. The M3 half-track Scout Car saw extensive service early in the war, before being largely superseded by the M8 Greyhound. Roughly 21,000 were built. Half-tracks. M2 and M3 half-tracks, these vehicles combined wheeled front axles with tracked rear propulsion, offering superior cross-country mobility while maintaining road speed. Over 40,000 were produced in multiple variants, serving as personnel carriers, mortar carriers, and mobile anti-aircraft platforms. The M3 carried infantry squads into battle alongside tanks. M5, M9, and M16 variants, specialized half-track variants, included the M16 multiple-gun motor carriage with quad .50 caliber machine guns for anti-aircraft defense, proving devastatingly effective against both aircraft and ground targets. Tanks. M3 Stuart Light Tank. The Stuart Light Tank, armed with a 37mm gun, served in reconnaissance and infantry support roles. Over 20,000 were produced in various models, seeing action from the Philippines to North Africa and Europe. M3 Lee/Grant Medium Tank. This intermediate tank featured an unusual design with a 75mm gun in a hull sponson and a 37mm gun in a turret. Though quickly superseded, over 6,000 served in critical early campaigns, including North Africa. M4 Sherman Medium Tank, America's primary battle tank, with nearly 50,000 produced, became the backbone of Allied armored forces. While criticized for being undergunned compared to German heavy tanks, the Sherman's reliability, ease of maintenance, and overwhelming numbers proved decisive. Variants included the M4A3 with the improved 76mm gun and specialized models for mine clearing, engineering, and recovery. M5 Stuart Light Tank, an improved version of the M3 with better armor and automotive components, continuing the Stuart lineage through war's end. M24 Chaffee Light Tank. Introduced late in the war, the Chaffee featured a 75mm gun in a light tank chassis, providing excellent reconnaissance firepower. Only around 4,400 were produced before war's end. M26 Pershing Heavy Tank. America's answer to German heavy tanks arrived in early 1945, featuring thick armor and a 90mm high-velocity gun. Only about 200 reached combat before Germany's surrender, but they proved highly effective. Tank destroyers. M10 Wolverine mounting a 3-inch gun on a modified Sherman chassis with an open-top turret. Over 6,700 minutes and 10 seconds provided mobile anti-tank firepower to infantry divisions. M18 Hellcat, the fastest tracked armored vehicle of the war, capable of 55 miles per hour. The Hellcat combined speed with a powerful 76mm gun. Its hit-and-run tactics made it highly effective despite thin armor. M36 Jackson armed with a 90mm gun capable of defeating any German tank. The M36 entered service in 1944 and proved to be one of the war's most capable tank destroyers. Self-propelled artillery. M7 Priest, this 105mm howitzer mounted on a Sherman chassis provided mobile fire support for armored and mechanized units. Over 4,000 served with American and British forces. M12 gun motor carriage, mounting a 155mm gun on an M3 Lee chassis. The M12 delivered heavy artillery support with mobility, particularly during the European campaign. M40 gun motor carriage. The M40 carried a 155mm long tom gun on a widened M4 chassis, providing the most powerful mobile artillery in the American arsenal by war's end. Specialized vehicles. Countless other specialized vehicles served critical roles. Armored recovery vehicles, bridge-laying tanks, mine-clearing tanks, mobile command posts, wreckers, fire trucks, fuel tankers, water tankers, kitchen trucks, mobile hospitals, and signals vehicles. Conclusion. American vehicle production during World War II represented an industrial achievement unprecedented in scale and diversity. These vehicles, numbering in the millions, provided the Allies with mobility, firepower, and logistical capability that proved insurmountable advantages. From the humble Jeep to the mighty Sherman, American wheels and tracks carried victory across 3 continents.